I like not having shoes on. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of what is this box? And then we'll get to what's in this box. She's new and she showed up at my door unannounced. I mean, I knew she was coming today, but my cameras didn't go off. So I'm like, my mail person has to be so freaking sneaky. Like the ninja-iest sneaky spy moves to get this to the front door somehow. But anywho, it's here. This is the Trendmood box. Never gotten this before, but like it piqued my interest. Has anybody else gotten this before? Let me know in the comments. Let me know also if you enjoyed it. Did you like continue to do it? Because this is not a subscription box. You can't just like get it every month and get a bill for it. You gotta like get in line, be number whatever in line, because there's a limited number of boxes, I believe. Editing me will put more information down below, but I got it. It's just cute patootie. We're gonna open her up together. Let's see what's in it. Cloud knife. Got it. Let me cloud knife open this and see what we got. And then people who did get this, do you enjoy it? Like continuous? Okay, I don't want to open it. I'm gonna open it and it's all just gonna fly on the floor. Ooh, hello. That's cute, but I like it. It's like a little gift to me, from me, courtesy of me. Thank me. Okay, I'm not. I was trying to be nice, but I'm not as nice as I thought I was. Oh, we are well packaged. Oh, we are well. This is giving me ColourPop vibes because ColourPop knows how to package their stuff. Oh, so let's go through the items in this box because it's not like, do I have anywhere to set this down? I kind of cleaned out my office a little bit today, as you can see. Like I screwed everything a little bit over. I call it 3 inches to the right. Are we good? We're good. Ooh, okay. So a couple things caught my eye and I was like, let me get it. Let me see what it's all about. Let's do this together. The first, yeah, let's do this one if I can get her. This first item is from LolaVie, the brand LolaVie. It is Jennifer Aniston's hairline. Does it say anywhere on there? Probably not. But this is her hairline. I loved it when they had it in Ulta and my wonderful stylist used it on my hair and like chef's kiss. Felt good, smells good. This is sticky. Something in the box might be leaking. But so I was like, let me get this because I've gotten other products from LolaVie when it's on sale because it's pretty pricey. In my opinion, it's pricey. But I've gotten other products. Ooh. You can kind of smell it. It smells so good. It feels amazing in your hair. Smells great. I don't think I've used this one. It's the Intensive Repair Treatment. I'm so sorry. I should have started with that instead of just rambling off on my whole life story with LolaVie. How to use. Before first use, remove protective seal under the cap. Thank you. Because I'm that girl in the shower, the slippery, slidey hands can't get that little guy off. Gotta call him back up or just try it another day. But, thank you. Remove producer on the cap, apply generous amount, cleanse hair, mid-lengths to ends, 5-10 minutes, rinse. And then follow with the restorative conditioner. So wait. Is this, what are you? It's an intensive repair treatment. So it says follow up with the conditioner. So are you a shampoo? Ooh, I thought I had this all figured out. Turns out I don't, but I'll be looking that up. Next, and one of these items I think might be why this box is sticky. Yeah, we are, because it's sticky under the lid. This is from Milani. It is the Make It Last Moisture Boost Alcohol-Free Long Wear Setting Spray. 16-hour wear. I don't really want it to... I mean, it's not super sticky, honestly. Like, after you've touched it and wiped it off, it's not sticky. But okay. Figured could try this. Sounds good. I need to get out there and try more setting sprays. Where's the one I have now? Like, she's my main girl. I use her for everything. Like, set it, forget it. Your makeup's not coming off until you want it off. But I'm like, I gotta try other setting sprays, you know? So, give this a go. Let me know in the comments if you tried any of these and they're great. This is another item from Milani. Did I not just... Yeah, Milani setting spray, Milani mascara. What is this one called? Highly Rated Fan Club? Is that what we're calling you? I'm cool with that. I already have mascara on. Oh, I wanted to do this video without stuff so I could add stuff. But this is in the shade Black. I've been super into brown mascara lately though. Oh, got it. But this one seems promising. Again, branching out, trying new things, getting stuff done. Because what I thought... Ooh, where's trash can? What I thought I liked previously is not at all what I liked. I forget what mascara I was using. I lasted maybe 3 weeks with it. I had to stop. It was a tubing mascara, but it never dried. And then when it, like, you washed it off in the shower, it never came off. Whether it was just with warm water, hot water, boiling water, double cleanse, whatever, it never came off. So I figured, get this, give this a try. Highly Rated Fan Club mascara. Plus the tube is really cute. Ooh. Are you a wired brush? No. Are you? It feels like a wired brush, but it looks kind of like a rubbery brush. I don't know. Interested to try. Clearly we'll be trying pretty soon. If I didn't have this mascara on, I would be trying it right now. But if you've tried it though, let me know. I don't want to do that one. Let me do this one. This next one. This is from Herbivore. Good stuff. It's a Bakuchiol Dual-Retinol Alternative Serum. I've been wanting to try Bakuchiol. I can't say it without looking at it. But I've been wanting to try this for a while. I don't have a lot of hope for a lot of skincare outside of Korea anymore, just because I've realized how good Korean skincare is. However, she's cute. Glass bottle. I do love the stuff from Herbivore. I think I had a serum in here, used it all. It was really nice, really good stuff. Smelled like herbally earthy, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna start using this right away. What do you directions? 1 to 2 pumps after cleansing, before moisturizing, gentle enough, daily use. Really? Oh, I like that. I don't have to have a lid. It just like locks. Oh. Did you soak up? I mean, given my hands have been super dry lately. Anybody else? Anybody else in Arizona with dry skin lately? I mean, given it's spring, we're not in summer yet, technically. But that feels nice. Not really scented. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna toss the box. Hold on. Editing me will just cut this right out, won't she, editing me? Because I don't want this all over the place. I'm gonna toss it right now. Look at me just throwing away boxes. What is this? Ooh, this is another one on... I don't need another sunscreen. I don't know if you can see it. They're down here. They're taking over a shelf. They're already at half a shelf. I have a whole bunch of sunscreens I want to try because I'm super into Hi, I'm in my 30s and I just got into sunscreen. Don't let this be you. But this is a sunscreen I've been wanting to try. It's the brand is Then I Met You, which I was like, that's an interesting name, right? It's an SPF 50 broad spectrum sunscreen lotion PA+++. So it's got 3+, not the 4 but the 3, which is good. Essence Light sunscreen. I tried, I don't know if I posted the video. I think I did, maybe. I posted, or I tested out an Essence sunscreen, and it still kind of moved around on my skin. So we'll see how this one does, because I'm going to be testing this, and you bet your buns you're getting a dedicated video. Okay, this next item, it's from Byterry, Byterry, Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. 8 times the hyaluronic acid types. You're just setting powder, right? Yeah, loose setting powder. But it's a skincare setting powder. And it reminded me of the, was it the Laura Geller? No. Yeah? That setting spray forever ago. Remember, it felt like really cool when you put it on? Oh, this is pale, bright. Bright is the word I'm going to use. Just for a reference. Here's my Wet n Wild one that I use. Where, we have more of a skin toned, I don't know the right word to say. This is very white. What are we doing here? But it says colorless, and we're made in France. So, I'll let you know how that goes. I have 2 ahead of this one. So, we'll see. Not that guy. That guy doesn't count. The Wet n Wild. She's always on the desk, and I always just go and buy the same one. It's the Photo Focus Translucent. She's my go-to. Gets me every time. But this one, I'm hella interested. That multi-zone correction, no pores, no lines. 8 types of hyaluronic acid. Molecular weight, medium molecular weight, low molecular weight. Interested. Anywho, on to the next item. Ooh. This is, oh, I like the way the bottle looks. From Gente or Gente. It looks like the Spanish word for like people. Gente. Gente. Totally correct me if I'm wrong, because my Spanish is like not great. At all. I can order for you at a restaurant. But talking. Anywho, this is a hair and body mist. Ooh. I almost just ate that. Did you see? I almost just ate this. It's made with red algae extract to boost collagen for revitalized skin and healthy hair. Scent number 2, made in Brazil. Look at the bottle. Very subtle from like the opacest to the, anyway, you know, you can see it. You're not. What are you? Very simple. Oh. Oh. What a, I'm sorry, what? That is, I feel like I just walked into the fanciest, most welcomingest spa. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna soak this up for a moment. Wow. I think I just walked into that and that's not coming off of me. Wow. That smells good. I don't know how to explain that. Did you not come in a box? No. Okay. That smells so good. It is like the fanciest spa, like kindest, welcomingest spa experience feel. Oh. I'm not going to be good at explaining this, so we're going to move on. I think this is the last item, right? Really? Yeah, I think so. You're the biggest item in the box, too. It's from B-GLOSSY. It's a smoothing body serum. I did not expect you to be this big. Are you from the U.S.? Because you got both ends sealed, and usually... Let me get my cup, can I? Usually, that's not done here. Got it. We're big. We're big. B-GLOSSY Smoothing Body Serum. I don't need to smooth? I was gonna say, what do I need to smooth? But I'm not gonna be able to smell. That smell just soaked up the whole room, and I'm absolutely in love with this. Wow. But my legs have been super dry alligator skin lately, so this will help. Extra care. Is it gonna work? Areas on your body, visible fine lines and wrinkles. On my body. Maybe like my chest. I've been neglecting my chest area or my décolleté. Yeah, I'm not the best at that, but I'm getting there. And then we got stuff from Maelys. Ooh, Discover Body Care that shapes you. Thank you. And this guy from By Terry Paris. Oh, it tells us about the powder. Okay. Is that everything? Yep, that's the whole box. Welcome to Trendmood. That is nice. I'm gonna yeet you onto the floor. Well, can I put everything nice and neat back in here? You know how like I do with my other subscription boxes? This isn't a subscription box, but dang, this LolaVie like barely fits in the box. And the Milani's gonna be fun to open. Ooh. I should have kept you in a box, or should have kept the box with you. Can I? Okay. We're kinda. Is that everybody? Yo, likey who? Yeah? Okay. That fits real good. Don't follow me. That is really good. And for a box full of things that I like, sorry, let me turn it so you can see it instead of just like letting me see it. Let me let you see it. I'm going to be using all this. Some of this immediately. And some of this like coming up soon. But, and I got some new stuff that I really enjoy. How many of these boxes do people like run and get that you are going to just absolutely enjoy, love, to die for, good stuff? You know, all the good things. Is it all of them? Is it a lot of them? I'm new here. Or I'm new here. I'm new to the Trendmood Box kind of thing. So, we'll see if this continues. I hope it does. Because if it, the other ones are as good as this one. How often does this, do I need, I have a lot of questions. I'm going to go now. Thanks for hanging out with me while I open this. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And let me know about your experience with Trendmood too. But, that's it. We're done. Yeah. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!